Hello, class. Today, Diego and I are going to be teaching you about common factoring mistakes.
Okay, so let's take this quadratic equation for example. 2x cubed plus 32x squared plus 128x. And this is where common mistakes start to happen. So one common mistake is where students forget to take down the greatest common factor to the end when they're factoring it. And that's what we're going over today. We have to make sure we're carrying down the GCF.
So what we're going to do is divide the whole equation by the greatest common factor, 2x.
So after we've taken out the greatest common factor, 2x, we're left with 2x outside of x squared plus 16x plus 64, which is equal to the same equation as before, but it's a simplified version, so it's going to be easier to factor.
Next, you simply factor the problem, and it becomes x plus 8 squared. But don't forget to bring down the 2x, which is a mistake that many people make.
So the example we're using is a perfect square trinomial, so you'll see us using different notations as x plus 8 squared or through x plus 8 times x plus 8. And just know that it means the same thing throughout this video and they have the same value. So this is just our way of showing you that x plus 8 times x plus 8 is not equal to 2x times x plus 8 times x plus 8. So if you multiply just without the greatest common factor, you'll get x squared plus 16x plus 64, which is definitely not equal to the original equation that you're trying to keep the same value of. So this goes along with following the laws of conservation. Once you factor out something or once you make changes to it, it should still hold the same value as it did originally, and that's really important. To check your work, all you have to do is multiply all your factors together and see if the equation you get is equal to the equation you started off with. And if they are, good job. That means you did it right, no mistakes, and you can move on.